Ever lie in bed wide awake, feeling exhausted but unable to fall asleep? You're not alone. This video tackles the common struggle of sleepless nights and offers helpful tips to get you snoozing faster. Sleep hacks for a restful night. Temperature matters. Ever toss and turn, unable to drift off to sleep despite feeling exhausted? It could be your environment. Did you know that temperature plays a significant role in both falling asleep and the quality of your sleep? The cool comfort zone. Overheating is a sleep thief. Your body needs to cool down slightly to enter the deeper stages of sleep. If you're wrapped in thick blankets, wearing warm pajamas, or sleeping in a hot room, your body temperature stays elevated, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. The ideal room temperature for optimal sleep is around 65 degrees Celsius or 18.3 degrees Celsius. This cooler environment allows your body to naturally cool down, signaling to your brain that it's time for rest. The hot shower paradox. While the idea of snuggling into bed after a warm shower seems like a recipe for sleep, there's a surprising twist. Immersing yourself in hot water actually triggers your body to release inner heat. This drop in core body temperature after leaving the bath or shower acts as a natural sleep cue, making you feel drowsy and ready to slumber. So instead of skipping the shower completely, consider taking a hot bath or shower about an hour before bedtime. This allows your body temperature to cool down gradually, creating the perfect conditions for a restful night's sleep. By implementing these simple temperature adjustments, you can create a sleep-conducive environment and unlock a world of deeper, more restorative sleep. So ditch the heavy blankets, crank down the thermostat, and enjoy a relaxing hot shower before bed. Sweet dreams await. Easy sleep hacks. No clock watching. Put the clock away. It's stressful to watch the time tick by when you're trying to sleep. Hide it or turn it around so you can't see it. Ditch the stimulants. Skip the coffee, tea, and chocolate late in the day. They're like little energy bursts that keep you awake. Also, avoid heavy meals before bed, as they can disrupt your sleep. Get active early. Exercise is great, but do it earlier in the day. Intense activity close to bedtime can make it harder to fall asleep. Avoid naps after 3 p.m. as well. Relax and unwind before bed. Wind down with calming activities like reading or taking a warm bath. This helps signal to your body that it's time to sleep. Get some sun. Spend at least 30 minutes outside in the sunlight every day. This helps your body know when it's time to sleep and wake up. Fall asleep in 2 minutes. Try this trick from the Navy. Relax each part of your body one by one, starting with your forehead and working your way down. Breathe deeply and imagine yourself in a peaceful place. Practice this every night for best results. Go to bed and wake up at the same time, even on weekends. This helps your body get into a routine and makes it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Don't lie awake. If you can't fall asleep after 20 minutes, get out of bed and do something relaxing until you feel tired. Reading, listening to calming music, or taking a warm bath are good options. Sleep tight. Bonus tip: subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos and share your thoughts in the comments below.